Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the question, what is Superlife Immune Care, that is the SIC. But before we dive into today's content, I want you to please take a moment to look below this video and click on the red subscribe button to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell as well, so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for subscribing. Now, what is Superlife Immune Care, the SIC? Superlife Immune Care, the SIC, is a proprietary blend of nature's finest ingredients, powered with AFA concentrate and CoQ10. Our advanced formula associated with stamina and longevity is documented to support the natural release of adult stem cells from bone marrow and increase number of circulating stem cells. Before we proceed, let us get some knowledge about immunity. The human body has a natural ability to resist almost all types of organisms or toxins that invaded the body, which may cause damage to the body tissues and organs. This ability is called immunity. Much of immunity is acquired immunity that does not develop until after the body is first attacked by a bacterium, virus, or toxin. Often weeks or months are required for the immunity to develop. An additional element of immunity that results from general processes, rather than from processes directed at specific disease organisms, is called innate immunity. It includes the following aspects: phagocytosis of bacteria and other invaders by white blood cells and cells of the tissue macrophage system; destruction of swallowed organisms by the acid secretions by the stomach and the digestive enzymes; the resistance of the skin to invasion by organisms; presence in the blood or certain chemicals and cells that attach to foreign organisms or toxins and destroy them. Some of these chemicals and cells are: 1. Lysozyme, a mucolytic polysaccharide that attacks bacteria and causes them to dissolute. 2. Basic polypeptides, which react with and inactivate certain types of gram-positive bacteria. 3. The complement complex that will be described later as a system of about 20 proteins that can be activated in various ways to destroy bacteria. And 4. Natural killer lymphocytes that can detect and destroy foreign cells, tumor cells, and even some infected cells. This innate immunity makes the human body resistant to such diseases as some paralytic viral infections of animals, hog cholera, cattle plague, and distemper, a viral disease that kills a large percentage of dogs that become afflicted with it. Conversely, many animals are resistant or even immune to many human diseases, such as poliomyelitis, mumps, human cholera, measles, and syphilis, which are very damaging or even lethal to human beings. Acquired, adaptive immunity. In addition to its natural biological innate immunity, the human body has the ability to develop extremely powerful specific immunity against individual invading agents such as lethal bacteria, viruses, toxins, and even foreign tissues from other animals. This ability is called acquired or adaptive immunity. Acquired immunity is developed by a special immune system that forms antibodies and/or activated lymphocytes that attack and destroy the specific invading organism or toxin. Acquired immunity usually is able to give a powerful degree of protection to the body. For instance, certain toxins, such as the paralytic botulinum toxin or the tetanizing toxin of tetanus, can be protected against in doses as high as 100,000 times the amount that would be lethal without immunity. It is for this reason that the treatment process known as immunization is so important in protecting human beings against diseases and toxins. Types of acquired immunity: humoral and cell-mediated. The human body produces two types of acquired immunity, namely humoral immunity or B-cell immunity, because B lymphocytes produce the antibodies, and cell-mediated immunity or T-cell immunity because the activated lymphocytes are T lymphocytes. In the first type, the body develops circulating antibodies, which are globulin molecules in the blood plasma capable of attacking the invading agent. In the second type, acquired immunity is achieved through the formation of large numbers of activated T lymphocytes that are specifically crafted in the lymph nodes to destroy any foreign agent. We shall see shortly that both the antibodies and the activated lymphocytes are formed in the lymphoid tissues of the body. Both types of acquired immunity are initiated by antigens. Since acquired immunities do not develop until after the invasion of a foreign organism or toxin, it is clear that the body must have some mechanism for recognizing this invasion. Each toxin or each type of organism almost always contains one or more specific chemical compounds in its makeup that are different from all other compounds. In general, these are proteins or large polysaccharides, and it is they that initiate the acquired immunity. These substances are called antigens, antibody generations. For a substance to be antigenic, it normally must have a high molecular weight of 8,000 or greater. Furthermore, the process of antigenicity usually depends on regularly recurring molecular groups, called epitopes, on the surface of the large molecule. This factor also explains why proteins and large polysaccharides are almost always antigenic, since both of these substances have this stereochemical characteristic. Lymphocytes are responsible for acquired immunity. Acquired immunity is the product of the body's lymphocytes. In instances where people have a genetic lack of lymphocytes or whose lymphocytes have been destroyed by radiation or chemicals, no acquired immunity can develop. Babies born with this malady will die within days after birth, due to fulminating bacterial infection unless they are treated by heroic measures. Therefore, it is clear that lymphocytes are essential to the survival of human beings. The lymphocytes are located most extensively in the lymph nodes, but they are also found in special lymphoid tissues such as the spleen, submucosal areas of the gastrointestinal tract, thymus, and bone marrow. The lymphoid tissue is distributed advantageously in the body to intercept invading organisms or toxins before they can spread too widely. In most instances, the invading agent first enters the tissue fluid and then is carried by lymph vessels to the lymph node or other lymphoid tissue. For instance, the lymphoid tissue of the gastrointestinal walls is exposed immediately to antigens invading from the gut. The lymphoid tissue of the throat and pharynx, the tonsils and adenoids, is well located to intercept antigens that enter by way of the upper respiratory tract. The lymphoid tissue in the lymph nodes is exposed to antigens that invade the peripheral tissues of the body, and the lymphoid tissue of the spleen, thymus, and bone marrow plays a specific role of intercepting antigenic agents that have succeeded in reaching the circulating blood. Allergies and hypersensitivity. At this point, it is pertinent to highlight the adverse side effect of immunity, that is the development, under some conditions, of allergy or other types of immune hypersensitivity. There are several types of allergies and other hypersensitivities, some of which occur only in people who have specific allergic tendencies. Delayed reaction allergy is caused by activated T cells and not by antibodies. In the case of poison ivy, the toxin of poison ivy in itself does not cause much harm to the tissues. However, upon repeated exposure, it does cause the formation of activated helper and cytotoxic T cells. Thus, after subsequent exposure to the poison ivy toxin, within a day or so, the activated T cells diffuse from the circulating blood in large numbers into the skin to respond to the poison ivy toxin. At the same time, these T cells elicit a cell-mediated type of immune reaction. Considering that this type of immunity can trigger the release of many toxic substances from the activated T cells, as well as extensive invasion of the tissues by macrophages along with their subsequent effects, one can well understand that the eventual result of some delayed reaction allergies can cause serious tissue damage. The damage normally occurs in the tissue area where the instigating antigen is present, such as in the skin in the case of poison ivy, or in the lungs to cause lung edema or asthmatic attacks in the case of some airborne antigens. Some people have an allergic tendency. Their allergies are called atopic allergies because they are caused by a non-ordinary response of the immune system. The allergic tendency is genetically passed from parent to child and is characterized by the presence of large quantities of IgE antibodies in the blood. These antibodies are called Reagans or sensitizing antibodies to distinguish them from the more common Ig antibodies. When an allergen, defined as an antigen that reacts specifically with a specific type of IgE Reagan antibody, enters the body, an allergen-Reagan reaction takes place and a subsequent allergic reaction occurs. Boosting the immune system. Having established how important the function of the immune system is to the well-being of our health, therefore boosting our immune system is a priority we must undertake seriously. The immune system does a remarkable job of defending us against pathogens and other microorganisms that causes diseases. However, sometimes when the immune system is weak, it fails to do its job properly. When this happens, the invasion of even the smallest and weakest germ will trigger an illness. Is it possible to intervene in this process and help boost the immune system? Yes, it is. There are many ways of doing this. Thinking of how you can boost your immunity can be very exciting, but the ability to do so has proven elusive for several reasons. The immune system is complex. It is a complex organization of different organs all working together to protect the body. It is not a single entity. To function well, there is a need for balance and harmony. Researchers are still studying the intricacies and interconnectedness of the immune response. At the moment, there are no scientifically proven links between lifestyle and enhanced immune function. However, this does not mean that any study about the possible link between the effects of lifestyle on the immune system should be dismissed. Whether factors such as diet, exercise, age, psychological stress, and other factors influence the immune response, are still being explored. In the meantime, however, a good way to enhance the capabilities of your immune system would be to adopt general healthy living strategies. Following general good health guidelines is the single best step you can take toward naturally keeping your immune system strong and healthy. Every part of your body, including your immune system, functions better when protected from environmental assaults and bolstered by healthy living strategies such as these. Not smoking. Eating a diet rich in vegetables and fruits. Regular exercise. Maintaining a healthy weight. Moderating your alcohol intake. Getting adequate sleep. Taking steps to avoid infection such as frequently washing your hands and cooking your meats properly before consumption. According to the Harvard University website, many products on store shelves claim to boost or support immunity. But the concept of boosting immunity actually makes little sense scientifically. In fact, boosting the number of cells in your body, immune cells or others, is not necessarily a good thing. For instance, athletes who engage in blood doping, pumping blood into their systems to boost the number of blood cells and enhance their performance, run the risk of strokes. Attempting to boost the cells of your immune system is especially complicated because there are many different kinds of cells in the immune system that respond to so many different microbes in a variety of ways. Which cells should you boost and to what number? This is where Superlife Immune Care, the SIC, comes into play. You should note that your body continually produces immune cells. To some extent, it produces more than it can use. The extra cells remove themselves through a process called apoptosis, a natural process of cell death. Superlife Immune Care, the SIC, is made in such a way that it knows how many cells or what the best mix of cells the immune system needs to function at its optimal level. The Superlife Immune Care Formula. Superlife Immune Care, the SIC, boosts your immune system with a combination of ingredients such as phycocyanin, wild AFA, snow algae extract, spirulina extract, astaxanthin, chicory fiber, moringa, chlorophyll, coenzyme Q10, guarana extract, vitamin B complex and mixed berries, blueberry, blackcurrant, raspberry and lingonberry. These nutrients provide dietary support for the normal, healthy functioning of the immune system. You will start to notice a difference in your immunity and resistance to diseases immediately after you start using Superlife Immune Care, the SIC. Superlife Immune Care, the SIC, has a very simple formula consisting of essential ingredients that'll give your colon the best care it needs. Below is an overview of the essential ingredients that make up our product and their verified health benefits. Wildlife AFA. The Wildlife AFA component of Superlife Immune Care, the SIC, is a whole-cell wild aphanizomenon flows aquae cyanobacteria containing a wide assortment of vital nutrients. These nutrients include protein of very high quality and a variety of vitamins and minerals. Also present in wild AFA are bioactive molecules, essential and unique polysaccharides, carotenoids, and phenylethylamine. Wildlife AFA is rich in nutrients, hence serves as an excellent nutritional supplement. Health benefits of Wildlife AFA include: 1. Contains unique polysaccharides that support the immune system. 2. Contains phenylethylamine that helps enhance feelings of well-being. 3. Being rich in antioxidants, it protects against free radicals. 4. Contains phytonutrients, amino acids, PUFAs and trace minerals. AFA is primarily made of soft proteins that can easily be digested by our intestinal bacteria. AFA Wildlife contains approximately 60% protein. 18 amino acids are present in Wildlife AFA. The protein and amino acids in AFA exists in amino acids peptide forms and also as glycoproteins which are easily absorbed. Therefore, it is easy to digest and consume. Additionally, neurotransmitters for brain health can be produced from AFA protein more easily and swiftly due to how easy it is to digest it. AFA helps build up the blood counts. It has a rich chlorophyll content, which is essential in blood building due to the presence of the pyrrole ring in it. This pyrrole ring is very similar to that found in hemoglobin. Chlorophyll helps combat leukemia and other forms of skin and liver cancer. It also helps to deodorize the bowels. Being a primary part of Superlife Immune Care, you will benefit greatly from these essential properties. Moringa. Moringa oleifera is a plant that has been well known for its healthy antioxidants and bioactive plant compounds. Moringa reduces inflammation in the body by producing anti-inflammatory substances. Research has revealed that isothiocyanates present in moringa leaves, pods and seed help combat inflammation. Moringa seed oil has a beneficial effect on hair as it contains antioxidants that combat against free radicals. Moringa is rich in protein and other hydrating elements that enhances the repair of skin cells. Moringa seed oil can be used to treat certain skin infections and sores. The anti-inflammatory properties of moringa reduce edema and swelling of legs. It also contains many detoxifying elements that prevent liver damage caused by toxins and alcohol. Moringa extracts reduce oxidative stress, thereby prevent the development of cancer. It also contains niazimicin, which restrict the process of carcinogenesis. This compound also reduces the thickening of blood vessels with age, thereby reducing blood pressure. Moringa extracts can be used to cure constipation, gastritis, and ulcerative colitis. It possesses antibacterial properties that can restrict the growth of various gut bacteria. Moringa extracts are particularly very helpful in treating certain intestinal infections caused by Salmonella and E. coli. Moringa leaves are rich in calcium and phosphorus, which can strengthen bones and teeth. It is also used to treat arthritis and bone infections. Moringa helps to reduce the glucose in the blood and is very helpful for chronic diabetic patients. According to one research including 30 participants, intake of 7 grams of moringa leaf powder each day for 3 months decreases fasting blood sugar levels by 13.5%. Moringa extract contains a vast number of antioxidants that are helpful in detoxifying kidneys and reducing the incidence of kidney stones. It is also beneficial in lowering cholesterol in the blood. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment that is used by the plants to absorb light from the sun. As an essential part of the SIC, it possesses a lot of vitamins, antioxidants and minerals which are extremely helpful in keeping a person healthy. Chlorophyll possesses anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Chlorophyll has been used in the treatment of mild to moderate acne. Liquid chlorophyll can cause increased production of red blood cells. It is particularly helpful for the patients of thalassemia. One study revealed that intake of wheatgrass, which contains about 70% chlorophyll, by the patients of thalassemia resulted in a decreased need for repeated transfusion. Chlorophyll can also decrease the incidence of hepatic and stomach. It can also contribute to losing body weight. Research suggests that this beneficial effect is due to its cholesterol-lowering properties. Coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10 is a special compound that helps produce energy in cells of the body. It can be naturally produced by the body, but its production decreases with age. But, the SIC proves to be a great supplement of this important compound with great benefits. CoQ10 is helpful in the maintenance of cardiovascular health. Certain heart disorders such as congestive heart failure in elder patients can be prevented by CoQ10. CoQ10 produces a lot of antioxidants which protect the skin from pollution, UV rays and certain allergens. It can also prevent skin cancer. According to the American Academy of Neurology, CoQ10 can prevent migraine. CoQ10 keeps the mitochondria in the cell healthy, thereby providing enough energy to cells. Research suggests that CoQ10 can also reduce muscle weakness caused by statins. It decreases the symptoms of chronic fatigue and muscle spasms. It is also helpful in lowering cholesterol levels in the blood. Research has also revealed that CoQ10 can augment sperm quality, activity and concentration. Destruction of sperms is prevented by antioxidant properties of CoQ10. CoQ10 has been found beneficial in diabetic patients as well. CoQ10 enhances insulin sensitivity and control blood sugar levels. The study was done on type 2 diabetic patients who took supplements with CoQ10 for 12 weeks. Blood glucose levels and HbA1c were both reduced significantly. It is also said that CoQ10 cures diabetes by reducing obesity, as it also helps in breaking down excessive fats in the body. Guarana extract. Guarana is a Brazilian plant with a scientific name Paullinia cupana. It contains caffeine, theophylline and theobromine, which are considered as powerful stimulants. Guarana possesses a vast number of antioxidants, such as tannins and catechins. Guarana is a powerful stimulant which helps in burn a large number of calories due to the presence of caffeine and other metabolic stimulants. It also enhances fat metabolism in the body and can help obese people lose their weight. In an 8-week study of 67 participants, intake of guarana caused significant weight loss and reductions in hip circumference. Guarana can also improve memory, cognition and concentration. In a 6-day study 26 people, intake of guarana improved secondary memory performance and increased concentration. Guarana's beneficial effect on mental health is due to the relatively high content of saponins and tannins. Guarana contains antioxidants such as catechin and epicatechin, which can restrict carcinogenesis. These antioxidant properties may be associated with the high concentrations of tannins in the seeds. Guarana can restrict the growth of cancer cells in the colon and breast. It is also known to decrease fatigue and depression in cancer patients. Guarana used in SIC has also been associated with improved physical performance, as it decreases muscle weakness, cramps and muscle fatigue. Guarana extract has powerful antimicrobial and antioxidant properties which are extremely beneficial for skin care. Guarana can be used to treat cellulitis due to its high content of alkaloids, particularly caffeine. Research has suggested that guarana extract increases collagen production, which reduces cheek sagging and under-eye wrinkles. Guarana extract is also known to cause cell death in E. coli, bacterium notorious for causing gut infections. It can also combat the inflammation and toxin produced by E. coli. It can also induce fatal mutations in Salmonella typhimurium bacteria, thereby preventing typhoid infection. Guarana extracts have the ability to provide great benefit in maintaining cardiovascular health. It can prevent platelet aggregation, thereby restricting clumping of red blood cells. Guarana prevents hardening of the arteries in older patients, thereby decreasing the risk of hypertension and stroke. It can also restrict the accumulation of fat in blood vessels. It may also decrease obesity, metabolic syndrome, gut bleeding associated with hypertension and irritable syndrome. Vitamin B complex. The SIC prides itself as a rich source vitamin B complex. Vitamin B complex is composed of 8 B vitamins. Vitamin B1 helps the body to produce energy by using carbohydrates. It is also very important for a healthy brain, muscles, and nervous system. It plays a key role in the growth and development of different organs of the body. Vitamin B2 helps in conversion of vitamin B6 into a usable form. It is a water-soluble vitamin which helps by stimulating red blood cell production in the bone marrow. It is extremely important for ocular health, as well as it protects glutathione, which is a powerful antioxidant in the eye. Niacin is important for the efficient conversion of food into energy. It can also play a significant role in DNA repair in the cells. Vitamin B3 is also known for stimulating the production of sex and stress hormones. Vitamin B5 is also an important vitamin which helps the body in producing sex and stress hormones, and it also stimulates the production of red blood cells and cholesterol. Vitamin B6 is significant for protein and carbohydrate metabolism. It helps in the formation of hemoglobin and important neurotransmitters, and also aids in the production of serotonin and dopamine. They can elevate the mood of the person. Pyridoxine also boosts immunity and stimulates brain development in the body. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, is helpful in fat and carbohydrate metabolism. It is beneficial for bone and hair health. B9 folic acid aids in the production of red blood cells and also plays a key role in the formation of DNA in the cell. Folic acid is important in pregnancy as it reduces the risk of spina bifida among infants. Vitamin B12 cobalamin is beneficial for a healthy nervous system as it helps in the prevention of Alzheimer's disease. It also aids in the production of red blood cells and DNA. Vitamin B12 plays a key role in protein metabolism. Mixed berries. A number of berries form a part of the Superlife Immune Care (SIC) formula. These include blueberry, blackcurrant, raspberry and lingonberry. Berries are known for their excellent source of antioxidants that help boost the immune system and protects the body from inflammation since they fight free radical damage. They are blessed with a high auric value which indicates its exceptional ability to combat oxidative stress. These berries also contain vitamin C and A, two nutrients that are essential to building immunity. They contain polysaccharides and glycoconjugate compounds that promote unique bioactive immunomodulating, antioxidant and anti-tumor activities in the liver, reproductive organs and the brain. Blueberry. The blueberry is a fruit scientifically known as Cyanococcus. As a part of the SIC, it plays a key role in providing a myriad of health benefits. Blueberries have powerful antioxidant properties. These antioxidants help boost immunity and combat fatal diseases. Major antioxidants and minerals found abundantly in blueberries are anthocyanin, vitamin C, iron and copper. They are also rich in fiber which prevents constipation and improves digestion. Blueberries are loaded with vitamin C which helps in combating skin damage caused by pollution and UV rays. Blueberries are a rich source of calcium, iron, phosphorus, magnesium and vitamin K. These vitamins and minerals play a key role in strengthening bones. Daily intake of blueberries, which are an essential part of the SIC, can keep your bones strong and healthy. Blueberry consumption has been associated with reductions in blood pressure. It can also protect against certain heart disorders such as chronic heart failure. One study revealed that antioxidants in blueberries tend to amass in areas of the brain associated with intelligence. Research has also suggested that blueberry consumption is associated with enhanced memory and cognitive functioning. Eating blueberries lowers the risk of heart attacks. This is due to the presence of antioxidants called anthocyanins. Blackcurrant. Blackcurrant is scientifically known as Ribes nigrum. It is rich in anthocyanins, polyphenolic substances, antioxidants, vitamin C and gamma-linolenic acid (GLA). Blackcurrant has a very low glycemic index value. This is due to the fact that sugar from blackcurrant is slowly absorbed into the bloodstream. This prevents sugar cravings and mood swings. They can also decrease fasting blood glucose level in the blood. It is considered as a rich source of vitamin C which acts as a powerful antioxidant. It combats infectious agents and decreases free radicals in the body. Blackcurrant can be very beneficial for keeping hair and skin healthy. Vitamin C helps in the production and maintenance of collagen, which plays a significant role in skin care and prevention of aging. Blackcurrant can aid in the production of red blood cells. Copper and iron play a key role in erythropoiesis. Blackcurrant can also decrease sleep issues. The high content of magnesium in blackcurrant is responsible for quality sleep. Blackcurrant also helps in regulating the body's metabolism and preventing sleep apnea. They can enhance the functioning of the digestive system. Blackcurrant has a high content of dietary fiber. This prevents constipation and decreases cholesterol in the blood. Raspberry. Raspberry is an edible fruit which is scientifically known as Rubus idaeus. It is one of many amazing ingredients of the SIC. Raspberries are loaded with powerful antioxidants such as ellagic acid. They play a key role in decreasing oxidative stress, reducing inflammation and halting the process of carcinogenesis. They have a protective effect against oral, prostate and breast cancer. High potassium content in berries helps in controlling blood pressure and maintaining good cardiovascular health. Presence of manganese, copper and iron in raspberries help in the synthesis of red blood cells. Research also suggests the role of raspberries in improving fertility in both men and women. Antioxidants in raspberries help in enhancing sperm quality and concentration. Risk of miscarriages is also decreased with increased consumption of raspberries. Consuming berries can protect against brain damage and dementia. They do so by reducing stress through their antioxidants. They are rich in flavonoids which are known to enhance cognition. Raspberries are a rich source of vitamin C which helps repair damaged skin tissues. They boost general immunity of the body which helps in fighting infections. Vitamin C and other antioxidants help clean blood cells. Research suggests that antioxidants in raspberries can also decrease the effects of aging such as wrinkling and dark spots. Powerful antioxidants like vitamin C, Vitamin A and phenols in raspberries protect the eyes from drying out and safeguard sensitive membranes of the eye. Ellagic acid is also known to play a significant role in healthy vision. Raspberry is extremely low in fat but high in dietary fiber. This helps in reducing excessive body weight. The high content of potassium protects the body against dehydration. Lingonberry. A lingonberry is an edible fruit scientifically known as Vaccinium vitis edia. Being an essential part of the SIC, it provides a lot of health benefits. Lingonberries used in the SIC help in stimulating the production of white blood cells and guard against various infections and bacteria. They contain various anti-inflammatory and antioxidant substances that prevent arthritis, gout and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Lingonberry extract reduces the risk of ischemic perfusion injury to the kidney. Research suggests that lingonberries have a great protective effect against squamous cell carcinoma of the tongue. Their extract is also beneficial in preventing cervical and breast cancer. Antibacterial properties of lingonberries ward off dangerous infections of the mouth. Halitosis and gum diseases can also be eliminated with their prolonged consumption. Lingonberry is a great source to cure urinary tract infections, UTI. They are also particularly helpful in lowering blood pressure. Research suggests that consumption of lingonberries is associated with decreased risk of atherosclerosis, heart attack, and stroke. Conclusion. With its vast benefits, Superlife Immune Care, the SIC is indeed a gift to humankind. Even though studies are still ongoing, the Superlife Immune Care, the SIC proven its superiorities in a lot of aspects relating to a healthy and disease-free life. Thank you for watching. Now, if this video has been of much help to you, please hit the like button and don't forget to share the video with your friends and loved ones. Again, if you are not a subscriber yet, kindly hit the red subscribe button below the video to subscribe and turn the notification bell as well so you don't miss any of our future videos. Finally, let me be quick to add that, if you have any concern about Superlife or any of our products, kindly leave it in the comment section and be sure that we will respond to it with urgency, or better still, if you want to contact us directly, just look in the description section of this video, you will see our contact detail there, pick any of them and you will be directly in touch with us. Thank you and see you in our next video.